A judge has issued an order that all but gags the attorneys and witnesses in Larry Nassar's criminal cases in Ingham County. Judge Rosemarie Aquilina will only allow them to talk about what's already on the record, and they can't imply that Nassar is guilty or innocent. The defense says this will help make sure Nassar gets a fair trial. Christopher Lane was at the hearing and has a breakdown of what this order does.
Justice cannot be served if we can't get a clean jury.
Judge Rosemarie Aquilina quickly sided with the defense in court on Wednesday, the first time Larry Nassar appeared in circuit court. His defense filed a motion to limit what attorneys and witnesses can say in public.
This order is necessary, and it's the only way this court can balance the First Amendment rights of the people involved with Dr. Nassar's right to a fair trial and due process.
One of Nassar's attorneys, Shannon Smith, says without the order, a mob mentality is being built that could prevent a fair trial. She says other attorneys talking about Nassar by calling him a monster or alleged victims talking in the public eye won't allow for a fair jury because people will have beliefs already set before going into the courtroom.
We need a fair and impartial jury. I don't know how we're going to get one if this continues as it has been.
The order won't allow attorneys and witnesses to refer to Nassar publicly as anything besides his name or defendant. It also will limit them on what they can say about Nassar regarding his guilt or innocence.
It makes sense to have some kind of limitation without completely stepping on freedom of speech.
The order right now only applies to the case in Ingham County Circuit Court, which involves a woman who claims she was sexually abused by Nassar when she was a little girl. The defense hopes the order will stay in effect for the case in District Court should it be bound over to Circuit Court. In Lansing, Christopher Lane, Fox 47 News.
This order will be sent to all of the civil attorneys representing alleged victims. Elizabeth Crenshaw talked to advocates for the alleged victims today who do not agree with the judge's order. Stick around for that story tonight on the News at 10.